So anyway, all the racers will draw for chips now. There's 1s, 2s, and 3s. There's an L on the back of each number designating left lane. So that'll be your lane. If you get an L, it's like left lane. So. But go off the light. Don't go off his counting his steps. You'll get fucked. Guaranteed.
Let's do 50.
Let's do 50.
Yeah. 100?
Who got 250s?
I do.
Trade you for 100.
Ooh.
So what year is this?
It's 1970.
70?
CORONET, 4-door.
What's all done to it?
It's NA, 500 cubic inch, 12.5 to 1. It's full exhaust. All the doors were glass.
Right.
All steel, minus the hood.
Heck yeah.
Kind of race car, kind of street car. We street it quite a bit.
bit.
We drive it all over town.
Yeah.
Take it to lunch and shit. It's a good parts runner.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, we drive it all over.
So what is it?
It's a 406, 30 over 400. It's 11.5 to 1. 645 lift, solid bullet racing cam.
How much nitrous is on it?
What's that?
How much nitrous?
Throwing 250 at it.
250. Oh yeah, what size is the turbo?
78, 75.
78, 75.
Little Versus guy. It's a perfect turbo for the 6.2.
Oh, yeah. 60 liter, you said?
Yeah,
Nice.
aluminum 6.2.
We had it on the street much?
A little bit since I got it. It's it's turned way down because I was having a real hard time getting traction with the radials. So I went and put some slicks on it today. See what that does.
Right. Hell yeah.
First burnout should be a good one. I got to scrub them up. I ain't touched them yet.
Oh yeah. Sweet. So what's all done with this?
High compression 6-liter, 243 heads, tiny little bit of hand work on them.
Right. Any power adder at all?
Just a cam in it right
okay.
now. 233, 239.
Right. What's the trans?
4L60 with a 3400 billet cover converter.
Awesome. What's the rear end under it?
Stock with a Eaton posi.
Yeah. Have you had it out at all, or is this the first time? Or?
I just put the training in.
Right.
It's been sitting since fall.
2017. Heck yeah. What's all done to this?
So it's at 6.2. It's got Brian Tooley cam and head work done on it, and it's got a 2.9 Whipple on it with alky control. Other than that, it's just a stock clock bottom end 6.2.
Right.
So I've had it out a couple times and raced it, just messed around. I'm having a super hard time getting it to hook.
Still all stock rear end, or you got some other stuff done?
Stock rear end. It's been narrow just to get a little bigger tire on it, but
Right.
stock. It's got split monos on it with Calverts on it. Backup camera, heated seats.
Oh yeah. AC, everything
Oh
still?
yeah, everything.
Oh yeah.
It's straight up. They're good.
It's the real street car stuff.
Yeah.
Street truck, I should say. Hell yeah, man. Well, good luck.
Yeah, thanks, man.
No problem. No conspiracy.
Nope. If anybody asks me any questions, I'll tell them the truth out here.
Right. What year is this one?
That's an 18.
18.
Yeah.
And you got any blower work done to it, or?
No. Well, it
Just
has
a pulley, or?
sweet green belt and
Right.
this black pulley that doesn't have any engraving on it or anything. Put those things on there.
Right. Just because it looks better, right?
But the carbon fiber is gave it 400 or 500 horsepower at least. That's what I was told. That's
Yeah.
why it costs so much.
I think that's what carbon does for you.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, it's a Hemi, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna probably get after it.
Well, it's mainly for rock crawling.
Right.
That's what I got it for.
It's a Jeep thing, right?
Yeah. It's cheap. Hopefully, the 4-wheel drive engages.
Right.
Sometimes I have a little trouble getting it into 4-wheel drive.
That must be an issue. Alright, so what year is this?
So it's a 92 Mustang Foxbody?
92 Foxbody. And then you guys did have it turboed, right?
Yeah, it was the 427, just had an issue with the motor.
Right.
So we just put the small motor in it and put a blower on it.
Right, for tonight.
Yep.
Sounds pretty good, man. What all is done to it?
C4 automatic, trans brake,
mini tub, spooled,
Right.
and then we overnighted everything and fucking I had another set of heads laying around. And we just fucking slapped this bitch together.
Right.
And said, "All right, let's go."
Oh yeah. Are you planning to go back turbo?
Oh yeah, they're correcting it. They're giving me parts at a good deal.
Nice.
Yeah, no, it's yeah. Between that and this test it, I was like, "Oh shit, what the fuck am I doing?"
Right.
You know.
Right.
But hey, we'll see. You know what I mean?
Well,
Just
give your
have
best.
some
Shit. Should be fun.
Yeah.
But yeah. Good luck, dude.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Stay here.
I can't just stay here.
Okay, go around him.
Earlier. Like,
Yeah.
And so when we headed out there, my radar was going off like crazy, and so I'm scanning, and then I see a car go the wrong lost, like a crackhead or something, and then the blue lights came. The radar went off, and the blue lights came on, and pulled in there, and turned around and came back. And before we got back to Atlas, he was done with that guy, and then pulled in front of us and went over to you guys. That's the Mustang.
I think they're going to get the Mustang.
Oh, they're because it's open header. Yeah.
So
Oh, if they went to go get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smart.
I'm down.
Yeah, we'll figure out something.
See ya.
I lose?
No, you didn't. I don't think you lost, dude.
Well, that's cool.
You just wanted to get a little head start, or what? I see you like doing like a standing burnout, and I was like, oh shit! And then you like took off and had to run him down.
I know I couldn't see him next to me. I mean, I could barely tell his headlights were there.
Yeah.
I mean, the reflection, but
I think it got him by a car or half a car.
Cool. But it was cool. We were both together the whole time.
Oh yeah, dude. That's awesome, dude. Good job.
Pretty cool. Thanks, man.
I saw you hop and then the light.
I can tell by the confidence.
Yeah, well, it is.
Yeah, so
You want to look at the video or something?
Oh, I don't care.
Okay.
so he's going to be.
The other guy got him out of the hole. It was a cord.
9. So then, who's the other guy?
I don't know.
He's right there.
Oh, right there. Are you good to run for number 10 spot then?
Absolutely.
Okay. So you guys want to run for 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Rich?
Give me, you got the better of me?
Oh, that's okay.
Yep. Yeah, you'll have
Hey, this whole thing with the Trackhawk on the trailer, dude.
What's up? Hell yeah. That's fucking dope.
Right?
4 doors for more horse.
Hell yeah, dude. What is up, y'all? Quite the night, quite the night. So if you notice in the video, the spot that we were racing, we were going to race, got compromised, and went back, kind of tried to figure things out. Ended up finding another road. Luckily it played out. I don't know if we're gonna be able to use that road again. Probably not ever. But if you made it to the end, thank you very much. We're just getting started in the year. There's gonna be a lot more street racing. I can't thank these guys enough for letting me come out and film. It was awesome. You know, we got quite a few races off. They're trying to get this list really situated. There's even more fast cars that want on it. There's a bunch of fast cars already on the list. So I'm excited. And man, when I was out there, I really wanted to race my car, but being behind the camera and being dedicated to doing that for these guys and just a different type of video for you guys, you know, I love it. So this thing definitely eventually might be on the list. Maybe somebody else is gonna have to film. But yeah, thank you all for hanging out, and just again, thanking everybody that let me come out and film this. Hope you liked it. Hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, y'all.